Each step a new breath in nature's peaceful residence. Doris purrs happily, follows along so small and dear. Together we enjoy all the forest's wonderful year. In the forest I find my escape from stress and the city's roar. Here I find my peace with Doris in our forest evermore. Sunlight streams through leaves, play creates shadows on the ground. The view is enchanting, a tale